Hello, robotics and engineering students. Another quick video. This video addresses some questions from students about Fusion 360 installing updates and not working. There is a way to actually get Fusion 360 to work in your browser, so you don't actually need an app or software on your computer to use the program. The in-browser software is not as robust as the app that you download, but it is still useful and can get you through this time until you get your software working on your computer. So here's how you go ahead and do that. First, we need to open up a browser and go to this address, myhub.autodesk360.com. Now it may ask you to sign in. I am already signed into my account. Here you can see all my projects listed on the left here. So I'm just going to open up one of these first ones. So I've opened it, and this is just kind of a viewer here. I can't really do much to it. But up here, you'll see Open In, and there's desktop or web. We're going to click on the web. And here you can see this is Fusion 360 in a web browser. Again, it is not as robust as the desktop app, but it still gives you plenty of the familiar tools that we have in the desktop app for you to work on different projects. So if you're having some issues with Fusion 360 not installing properly, this is one way to keep you moving forward and working on projects just by using Fusion in your browser. I'll have more links on the web page for Fusion 360 that's on our website. Talk to you guys later. Bye.